Hi everyone, welcome back. Today you're going to practice English with a simple and natural conversation about my house. We'll talk about the living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, cleaning, cooking, and everyday activities. So, if you want to improve your English listening and speaking skills, stay with us, listen carefully, and learn useful daily English phrases. Let's get started. Hey, Umair, you're here. Come in.
Hey, Anam, thanks. Your house looks really nice from outside.
Thank you. It's small, but I like it. Come inside.
Wow, it feels really peaceful in here.
Really? I'm glad you think so.
Is this your living room?
Yes, this is the living room. We spend a lot of time here.
I like the sofa. It looks comfortable.
It is. I sometimes sit here for hours.
For hours? What do you do?
I watch videos, read books, check my phone, or just relax.
So the sofa is your favorite place.
Maybe it is.
And what's that near the window?
Those are my plants. I really like them.
They look healthy.
Thanks. I water them when the soil feels dry.
Do you take care of them every day?
Not every day. Usually, I check them every few days.
That sounds easy enough.
It is, but sometimes I forget.
I knew it. Nobody is perfect.
Exactly. Okay, let's go to the kitchen.
Sure. Oh, your kitchen is pretty small.
Yes, it is. But I try to keep everything organized.
Where do you keep the plates?
In that cabinet.
And the cooking pots?
Under the counter.
And what are those little containers?
Those are spices. I keep salt, pepper, and other spices there.
You have everything in its place.
I try to.
Are you going to cook something today?
Maybe later. But first, would you like some juice?
Yes, please. That sounds great.
What would you like? Orange juice or apple juice?
Orange juice, please.
Good choice.
Thanks.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I'll get a glass for myself, too.
Sure.
Here, let's sit for a minute.
This is nice. We can talk before we start cleaning.
Cleaning?
You said we were going to do some housework today.
Oh, right. I almost forgot.
You forget things very easily.
Maybe a little.
What should we do first?
Let's clean the kitchen counter.
Okay, I can do that.
Thanks. I'll wash the dishes.
Deal.
There are more dishes than I expected.
That's what happens when people cook.
True.
The counter is getting much cleaner.
It already looks better.
What about the table?
Good idea. Let's clean that too.
I'll move these things.
Thanks. Please put the books on the shelf.
Sure.
The living room feels much better now.
Yes, a clean room feels different.
I agree. When my house is clean, I feel more relaxed.
Do you clean every day?
No, not the whole house. I usually do small things every day.
Like what?
I wash dishes, clean the kitchen counter, put things away, and sometimes sweep the floor.
That makes sense. Small jobs are easier than doing everything at once.
Exactly.
What about your bedroom?
Oh, my bedroom needs some help too.
Is it messy?
A little.
A little?
Okay, maybe more than a little.
Don't worry. We can organize it.
You really want to help?
Of course. That's what friends are for.
Thanks, Umair.
Where should I start?
You can put those books on the desk.
Okay.
I'll fold these clothes and put them in the wardrobe.
That sounds good.
I also need to organize this drawer.
What's inside?
Things I don't use very often.
That sounds dangerous.
Why?
Because people always keep too many things in drawers.
You're right.
Wow, it already looks better.
Yes, I can finally see my desk.
That's a good sign.
Definitely.
Do you have another bedroom?
Yes, there's a second bedroom.
What do you use it for?
Sometimes a family member sleeps here. We also keep extra blankets and bags here.
It looks pretty organized.
I cleaned it last weekend.
Nice.
I try to check it every few weeks because it gets crowded quickly.
That happens easily.
Let's check the bathroom too.
Okay. It's very clean.
Thanks. I like keeping the bathroom clean.
Where do you keep the towels?
On that shelf.
And the cleaning supplies?
In that corner.
Everything has a place.
That's what I try to do.
You know, I like your house.
Really?
Yes, it isn't huge or fancy, but it feels warm.
That's exactly how I want it to feel.
I think a home doesn't have to be perfect.
I feel the same way.
I especially like that little plant corner.
Me too. The sunlight is really nice there.
It's a good place to sit and think.
Sometimes I stand there in the morning before I start my day.
What do you think about?
Usually, I think about what I need to do that day.
That sounds like a good habit.
It helps me feel ready.
We actually got a lot done today.
We did.
The kitchen is clean, the living room is organized, and your bedroom looks much better.
I couldn't have done it this quickly without you.
Anytime.
Would you like another glass of juice before you leave?
Sure, I'd love one.
Orange juice again?
Definitely. I liked it.
Good. You're easy to please.
Maybe I am.
Thanks for coming today.
Thanks for inviting me.
It was nice having you here.
I had a great time, and I learned something too.
What did you learn?
A clean house takes work, but small tasks can make a big difference.
That's true.
And your house doesn't need to be perfect to feel like home.
Exactly. Home is where you can relax, feel comfortable, and be yourself.
I like that.
Me too.
Okay, I should get going.
All right. Thanks again for helping me.
Anytime, Anam. See you soon.
See you, Umair. Take care.
You too.
Great job, everyone! You just practiced a natural English conversation about my house and learned useful vocabulary for talking about your home and daily life. Keep listening, repeat the sentences, and practice speaking out loud. The more you practice, the more confident your English will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next English conversation and speaking practice video. Bye for now.